If you think about since 2017, you think about 18, 19, and 20, it's just been busy, all above average years. So as a result, all the pattern looks the same. So we're really looking at some sort of hurricane season in 2021 that probably will be above average again. Yeah, 6 years in a row, we've actually had systems develop before the hurricane season in the Atlantic. So it's one of these things that we're warmer. The oceans have been prime. Everything has really come together before the season. Most of those storms aren't very strong, but they still could bring heavy rainfall. They could still bring those gusty winds and some of that storm surge. So 6 years in a row, we've seen that happen, but we're still looking at the strongest storms in that August, September, October timeframe.